Good morning everyone, my name is 𝐂𝐨𝐦𝐩𝐮𝐭𝐞𝐫 and I'm the founder and CEO of 𝐂𝐨𝐦𝐻. We conducted a 2-day workshop in MIT ACSC of 60 students, giving them orientation of drones, how drones fly, what's the principle behind the drones and how the drones are built. What is the use case of drones? In this, students learned about the principle behind the drones, manufacturing and the development and the future about the drones. The coming future of the drones is such 0.4 industry, which is going to implement the drones all over the world in all the sectors such as military, civil and defense areas. This flower dropping drone has a feature of GPS altitude hold, taking photography drones. It can drop flowers from the height of 30 feet, as well as it is able to control autonomously and semi-automatically by the students. It is easy to fly and easy to learn about how a drone works and how drone flies. As founder and CEO, about talking about the coming future of these drones is going to increase rapidly and the industry is going to grow more and more. As the students are very interested in learning, I will give a message that the upcoming future of drones is very vast and the industry is too large.